Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying iPad OS and free storage, because updates and low space often block camera access. Once confirmed, force Quit Snapchat to reset its active session. This clears temporary camera locks. Restart the iPad to fully release hardware control and reload drivers. Do this now so the system is in a clean state before you change app settings or reinstall. These initial steps fix most transient camera misidentifications without deeper intervention. Next, you reset the permissions because mistagging as a camera app often stems from a denied or corrupted camera entitlement. Toggle camera permission in settings for Snapchat. If that fails, delete Snapchat and reinstall so you get a fresh app bundle and correct entitlements. When you log back in, allow camera access when prompted and immediately test both front and back cameras. If you see a camera preview, the app now recognizes the hardware correctly. This sequence repairs corrupted permission states. Finally, you handle stubborn cases by updating both iPad OS and Snapchat, since compatibility fixes arrive in updates. If permissions still behave oddly, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Reset Location and Privacy. This forces all apps to re-request access and often clears permission corruption. Make sure to back up before any restore. If nothing works, contact Snapchat support with logs or consider a full iPad restore as the last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.